Hello and welcome to the sewing studio. This year I've decided that I'm not going to send Christmas cards, I'm going to send Christmas face masks instead. And I'm going to be using my Creative Grids template to do this. The reason I love this template so much is it's got 3 sizes on it. It's got small, medium and large. It also gives you the suggested size of elastic to use depending on what size you're making. And it shows you where to place your pleat at the end when you do your top stitching. It's really quick and easy. So let me just explain what I mean about the sizing. So if I was making the large mask, I would just line it up on my folded fabric. I've actually got this folded into 4 so I can do 2 at a time. And what I do is I have calico or cotton and I have lightweight iron-on Vilene on the back of that. And I cut out either using a rotary cutter all the way round, or you can draw it and cut it out with scissors. Then if I wanted to do a medium one, I just slide it down and it's got these guides here and do the same. If I wanted to do a small, I just slide it down and cut it out. With this template, if you were to use Christmas fabric, so for example, we've got these fat quarter bundles here, and there is 5 in each bundle, and you can get 4 or 5 fronts out of each fat quarter. So you can see with these Christmassy fat quarters, you could make up to 25 masks out of a bundle. I've made this mask using Lynette Anderson's Scandinavian Christmas fabric, and that also comes in a red and a green. So that's really good fun because it's got a reindeer on it. You could put bells on it. You could put this Christmas pom-pom on them, or any of these trimmets or buttons. You could decorate these masks and really make them fun. So talking of elastic sizes, Wizard and his friend Elvis have been tidying up the elastic for me. However, I don't think, boys, you've done a very good job. So let's just show you another idea for a mask that I've done, and that is to put a button on it. So you can fold it in half, which keeps it nice and hygienic, and then you can pop it over your wrist and then take the elastic and hook the button, and you've always got your mask with you. So as always, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you next time here in the sewing studio.